welcome to Earn with Emerald. In this video, I will show you how you can create a digital planner completely free using Canva, step by step, which you can also sell online. So let's begin. Open Canva and here is the interface that you will see, and now we're gonna click on templates and type in planner. So once you're done, you can see so many planner options that you can choose from, but I'm gonna show you from the scratch, so create a blank. So now that we are here, you can also see some planner options on the left hand side. You can also choose from that, but I'm going to choose a pink theme today. So let's go to Pinterest and type in planner, and we can get so many ideas. So if you like anything, you can just grab it. And now we are going to get back to Canva and create a cover page. So I want it to be simple, so I'm just going to choose a pink heart and just adjust the size. And now we're just going to add a text box and write in 2026 planner. So once you're done, you can just adjust the size and the font, the text, the texture, so you can try out different styles. So I think this look good. I think the pink matches with the theme, and if you like, you can also add borders to the page, but I will keep it simple, so I will not add anything. And I think this look good. So now once that we are done, we will now add a second page, and in this page we will add this planner belongs to. So I'm just going to add the same color, and now we're just going to add shapes, and let's try out some different shapes to see which one will look good. Just going to round off the corners so it looks pretty, and add a text saying this planner belongs to. Just going to try out some different fonts. I think this look good. Maybe this one. Okay, this is perfect. And let's change the color to pink, and voila. And now just going to add some lines so everyone can write their name, and just duplicate it. So yeah, now for a detailing, go to elements and add a bow. I think this one matches. Oh, this is more pretty, so let's add this bow to this planner, like this page. And okay, so now we are at our third page, and now we are going to add 2026 goals. So just do the same, add the text box and write in 2026 goals. You can try out different fonts, show your creativity, and I'm just going to copy the same boxes which I use for the name on the second page, and just going to adjust the size, and I think this is pretty. I think I will also add the same bows to keep the aesthetic of this planner. Now we're just going to add 2026 vision board, which will also be in the same font. So just going to type in same, and now we're just going to adjust the size and color and add in the square, so you can paste your vision boards and change the color. And if you like, you can also add a bow. Let's see if this looks cute. Okay, not bad. Now the next thing comes in a planner is a calendar, so you can either directly download from the Pinterest, and this way you can save your time, or you can just type in manually. So now we can go for the monthly page. So I'm just going to show you for the January, and you can just repeat it for the next 12 months. Just type in the January and go to tools and add the table, and here we're just going to see how many rows and columns we need. So we're just going to add columns and rows and form a complete table. So I think this is pretty good size. And now we're just going to add the weekdays, which is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So let's do it quick. You can also change the color of each boxes, so I'm just gonna do that really quick. Okay, so this looks cute. You can also repeat for the next 12 months. And now comes the weekly planner. So I'm just going to write it in a simple font and planner in a little bit funky. So I think this looks nice. This is the same font which I used for the word January. And just going to add some rectangles, and so that it fits Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and one extra box for notes. I'm just going to add some colors, and I think this looks pretty. Maybe we can add some bows in the same way. So once you are done with this, we can duplicate it and just change the name of the month. So the last and the important page is daily planner. So this is what we need to think of. You can write daily planner, change the font and change the color. Now I'm just going to finish the boxes part, so you can choose whatever boxes you want to fit in. So you can write what you want in the daily planner. I'm just going to first fill the page with the boxes, and then we'll write down what I need in here. So now once that I'm done, now I'm going to write in the each boxes like a date, weather, mood. So I'm going to write it in the color pink, a little bit of darker shade. So I wrote the date, and now we're just going to choose the weather. So you can choose sun, windy, snowy, rainy. Just choose emojis and you can place it, and then you can just change the color of all the emojis to match the theme of the planner. So this looks cute. So once this is done, now I think I should change this box to small boxes for each day. So you can just color the day So Sunday, Monday, so whichever day it is, you can just color in or tick mark or whatever you like. So this is a cute way rather than adding a simple rectangle. Once you're done, you're just going to copy the same font and write in mode. And in the same way, you can just add the emojis that we did for the weather. So just copy, just look for something which is nice. You can choose whatever you like. Now we are going to do the to-do list. I will keep it at dark, so I will add some square to write in and a simple square box so that we can tick mark the given task. So just going to copy the same boxes and going to add a square, and now we're just going to copy the boxes, the squares, and here we go. So I think once this is done, it will look good. Now we are going to go with the money tracker, exercise, our food, and affirmation. So here you go, money tracker, meal, exercise, sleep hours, and let's see what we can think of. Maybe a reminder for tomorrow or the next week or something. So this is what I'm going to write, and here is note for tomorrow, notes, and the next box I will add is what I have to do for tomorrow. So I think this is what I'm going to fill up for my rest of my year. So money tracker, we're just going to add some more squares and write in money from, money in, how much money we are getting in. So just going to add some boxes and let's change the color. So okay, this is good. I'm just going to copy the same thing for the meal tracker. Let's write it first, money in, money out, and from. Now copy the same boxes for meal tracker for breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. You can edit whatever you like duration, but I think this is a cute way. So we should also see what we are eating every day, and this is the workout. So I'm just going to type in workout here. So let's go. And yeah, once you're done, I think this is the planner idea. Maybe you can now add a little hearts for sleep hours. Like fill in rather than keeping it space, so you can just color the number of hours you slept. I think 9 hours or less, so just reduce the size and fill in with more hearts. Oh my god, I think I'm just going to fill up so much because I love sleep, and I think I'm just gonna fill up all. So I think this is enough, 20 hours I guess. And yeah, once you're done, this is the planner, daily planner. Now you can this is what our planner looks like. Now what you can do is you can just simply duplicate the pages that you like you can edit, like the one we did for January, you can copy and change the name to February, copy the daily planners, and once you're done you can just download a PDF and then you can sell on Etsy or Gumroad, or you can set it on Instagram, or you can use it for yourself. And that's how you create a free digital planner on Canva.